In this short video, in this Hostinger tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete the WordPress website from Hostinger. So I hope you're going to find this short video helpful. And now let's jump right into this video. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. So what you're going to have to do here is just to click on Manage. And then here, select your website. And then here, let me please move the camera. And then here we have website. Click on website, and then here we have add website and auto installer. Click on auto installer, and then here we have I've connected this to WordPress. So you can see here WordPress. Just click on the three dots here and select delete, and that's pretty much what you need to do. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more. If you have more questions about Hostinger, leave your questions down below. And thanks for watching, and take care.